Hey guys, my name is Doorhof and we're in front of our studio in Emmeloord and it's freezing cold. So it's the perfect day, not really, to shoot on any location because let's be honest, you don't have to travel far to create stunning images with your models. You can do it anywhere. So today we're going to go out in the field, we're going to go to a bicycle tunnel, we're going to use a long road with strong backlighting and we're even going to be pulled over by the police. Yeah, that was interesting. Now you might wonder, why should I follow this class? Well, we're going to start from the bottom. We're not going to use a lot of strobes. I'm not going to use difficult techniques. You do need powerful strobes for this, but if you have a powerful strobe, you can do this very, very easily. We keep it simple, but most of all, we try to create images with a lot of impact that will make you stand out from the rest. So join me on KelbyOne.com for my new class shooting on any location. You're gonna love it.